Okay guys, I'm gonna try this again. I did open the box because I thought I was filming and showing stuff, and then I realized I'm not even filming. So here's the box. Here it is open. The theme is See La Vie with the info in the back. There's a coupon code, $20 off if you use promo code boxycharm, $50 or more on Molly beads. Looks pretty. I'm gonna have to check it out. First thing is this Bella Pierre kabuki brush. It's really soft. It's $29.99, so pretty expensive. The next thing, NCLA Nudes Nail Polish. It's the color right there. This is $16. It's a really pretty nude mauve color. It's really pretty. The next thing, Eslor Chlorophyll Lifting Mask. This is $38. And it enhances blood circulation and diminishes fine lines. Says your skin instantly appears luminous and noticeably firmer. And eyes getting old, so I need this. This Lightning Cream Highlighting Cream by the Beauty Crop. This is 16 bucks. And I got it messy when I was trying to pull the thing off. It's really pretty though. Let me show you a swatch again. There's that. You can see. It's really, really pretty. I like it. And it has staying power because I was scrubbing it off and it's still there. Not all of it, but you know. And the last thing is a Click lipstick. Full size, 24 bucks. Douce. I don't know how you pronounce that. Doucce. How much did I say? 16 bucks. Pretty packaging. Here's the lipstick. It's really nice. So you push it, pops out, yank it out. This color is in 804. Let me see if it has a... it just says 804. I don't see a name for it. There's that. Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. It's really pretty. I like the packaging. It's extra long up in there. Yes. And that's everything, guys. So you do the math. 38, $29.99, 24, 16, and 16. Because my phone is there, I can use my calculator, and I suck at math. So it was pretty good. I liked it. I'm excited to use this because I was actually thinking of buying the High Beam by Benefit. I want a cream highlighter, and I'm excited to use this. So here's the boxycharm, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.